array in the life of a plein air artist. It was a joint demo with my other friends, artist friends Amol Pawar and Nishikant Palande. You must have seen similar houses, especially similar front yards and the roofs in some other videos about my plein air painting. And thanks to our ever enthusiastic organizers and very good friends, Urban Sketchers Navi Mumbai, who also conduct some of the sketching sessions, joint sketching sessions with the Urban Sketchers Mumbai. And it is due to these organizers that artists and art enthusiasts can experience many beautiful plein air sessions and demos as well. So thanks. So the work begins by deciding the location. You need to go around places like here, over here. You can see just have to take a nice look what's around you, how to compose certain things, and just get the feel. And this is the area I have chosen, as you can see. So I'm going to just use some tiny fraction of the entire view, but still it's always a good idea to go just once again. And again, it's a thing to be noticed that I mean, when you're outside outdoors, you need to be prepared with certain things like a cap, because on a sunny day like this you would need a bottle of water and a cap to cover your head. But nevertheless, I have decided my spot, uh, which spot to paint, and I'm all ready to all set to do it. Well, if it is a plein air painting, then it's always a very good idea to work in a group, or preferably with limited members, say maximum 20. But it's not a good idea to just go alone. However, of course, when you get used to it, it's more about your urge to paint than your choice sometimes. But then it's always a good idea to go with your friends or with your other fellow enthusiastic artists, or anybody who is ready to be with you in this very beautiful activity of plein air painting. And as I have shown you earlier, I'm just taking a good view at it. Well, you can record it, and then of course you should carry a bag and other gears that will take care of your things, but then be logical not to carry too much. But of course, a wide range of brushes is something that you would need, along with your sketching pad or painting pad, and the clothes according to the weather, and of course a palette and colors. So we are all set to do it, and it's quite an enjoyable activity to go outdoors and paint. Yes, and this is the first plein air painting I have done using watercolors. It's always a good idea to carry a selfie stick, because that's where you can capture three things: the artist, the subject, and the painting. And once again, after the completion of my painting, I have just recorded for you the surroundings, and you'll also get to see the exact spot that I painted. I'm going to zoom in. Yes, these are the things that I captured. It's a nice part with many vertical lines, in fact, many geometrical shapes, and not much nature there, especially exactly at this part. But very good. I like the composition, and I try to capture it in the same video. I'm also going to share with you one more plein air painting I painted. So just stay tuned. Yeah, others are still painting, and enthusiastic uh, children, say around 14, 15, They were there around us. Yes, this is the first work, and soon I'll share with you some glimpses just of my second one. Yes, this is the one.